Are you looking for the best chainsaws in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best chainsaws that are available on the market. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability, and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below, and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. The fifth product on our list is the Greenworks 40V 16 inches chainsaw CS40L412. 1. Greenworks 40V 16 inches chainsaw CS40L412 Best Smart Chainsaw. If anyone wishes to buy a smart, high-powered, energy-saving chainsaw, the Greenworks 40V 16 inches chainsaw CS40L412 will be an ideal option. Especially, the erosion-resistant design of this gadget definitely creates a good impression at first sight. Besides keeping an excellent look, it has advanced brushless motor technology that converts high torque into weight ratio. That means users will get the extra advantage of reliability, low noise output, and better lifespan as well. When you go out to clear your chaotic tree branches, its pro-style side-mounted chain system will help you cut more frictionally, and it is also enabled with an accessible maintenance facility. So, nothing will stop you from cutting wood and other complex materials with it. Significantly, it owns inertia-activated chain brake technology, which ensures better protection and saves you from facing multiple and cautious injuries at continuous work. Even Greenworks always works on people's satisfaction. That's why they designed this amazing tool with a comfortable grip so that users can work more confidently. Up next in the fourth place is the Husqvarna 24-inch 460 Rancher gas chainsaw. For those who love to work in rough and challenging working environments, the new Husqvarna 24-inch 460 Rancher gas chainsaw will become their daily driver. It is not too heavy, but it offers all top-notch features to enjoy long-duration work. Why are we saying that? You will get the answer if you look at its robust design. In this section, the outer beauty isn't important because the company has designed it with a high-quality, strong overcoat to offer a smooth working experience in extreme work conditions. Besides, the inertia-activated chain brake is always there to control the chainsaw quickly, and it will offer better protection all the time. In addition, the side-mounted chain tensioning system will help the user with easy chain adjustments, which means it will save time and offer a satisfying deal. The 3.7 horsepower engine is really effective when you work on wood chopping and other household work. While working long, you don't need to worry about fuel maintenance as it has a nice automatic chain oiler that improves stability and preserves oil for upcoming projects. Moreover, working with Husqvarna 24-inch 460 Rancher gas chainsaw will be more entertaining because the quick-release air filter will keep cleaning the whole mechanism every time. The third product on our list is the BLACK+DECKER Lopper chainsaw. In fact, a professional chainsaw requires expert knowledge to operate and maintain it for a long time. In simple and easy working sessions, you won't need it. Considering for those people, BLACK+DECKER introduced the handy BLACK+DECKER LP1000. It is an electric corded lopper chainsaw that is mainly designed for easy operations. When you look at its design, you will describe it as large scissors. Actually, it is very useful for cleaning and maintaining a small garden, tiny tree branches, and other relevant works. The innovative clamping jaws works really great when you focus on one-motion cuttings. Surprisingly, it is much compatible with heavy-duty projects as well. It can effortlessly cut 4 inches deeper into the materials, and you will get a premium finishing at the end, even though it is only 6.5 pounds in weight. That means you can easily carry it wherever you want. Not only will loggers find it the best lopper for their job, but gardeners will also enjoy quiet cutting all the time. Moreover, the instruction process of this chainsaw is simple and user-friendly, so nothing to worry about choosing as your ideal partner. Second on our list is the Makita XCU4PT1 brushless chainsaw. Covered with complete safety, powerful performance, and exceptionally compact size, the Makita XCU4PT1 is the new battery-powered leader in the chainsaw industry. It is hard to find any people who don't know about the Makita brand. They are one of the leading power tool manufacturing brands that produce high-quality electronic gadgets for different sectors. In particular, they designed the new XCU4PT1 chainsaw model with advanced brushless motor functionality that converts high torque into weight ratio. That means users will get the extra advantage of reliability, low noise output, and better lifespan as well. Importantly, it comes with a variable speed trigger facility which offers a smooth and clear cutting experience always. Besides, the powerful 32 horsepower motor is really capable of cutting very deeply. when you apply the saw for cutting large timbers. Its efficient cross-cutting skill cuts the materials into different shapes. While working with this amazing chainsaw, you won't require any tool to lock or unlock the mechanism because its tool-less chain adjustment is really helpful for making quick adjustments. The unique feature here is the built-in LED lights. With this, users can work in low-light environments and get precious cuts at every end. Perhaps it is an eco-friendly power tool and has function for low noise effects as well. Finally, the top product on our list is the DEWALT 20V Max XR Chainsaw Kit. DEWALT is a name of faith, passion, and great commitment. DEWALT products are always in high demand. Like their other popular models, the DEWALT DCCS 620P1 is another wonderful gift from the company. Why are we saying so? Because it has all the possible features you dream of having in your daily driver. Here, they maintain their traditional yellow and black color combination with a durable coating. Undoubtedly, it is compatible to face any challenging situations. No matter how hard you push the chainsaw into a thick and rough wood chamber, its high-powered brushless motor technology will cut through it in no time. It is created for dealing with large trees and harder metals. In addition, the tool-less chain adjustments are really supportive when you need to go for quick support. It may look compact, but the power it delivers is truly impressive to believe. Furthermore, it weighs only 8.8 pounds, which means it offers a convenient carrying and simple storation as well. The lightweight design is a popular choice for both professionals and non-professionals too. The highlighted facility of the chainsaw is its easy functioning. DEWALT always cares about people's satisfaction. Like its other devices, the company has also offered a straightforward user manual with it. By reading it, everyone will be able to operate it easily. Thanks for watching, and that's all for now, I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time.